Hello Gemini, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this reading is for June 28 to June 30, no? Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, mag-subscribe po tayo doon sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ano po? So, kung may mga mangilan-nilang reading po tayo doon, no? Check na lang din po, no? Gemini, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours, no? Kung meron po kayo mga katanungan, sa comment section po ng ating video sa YouTube, sumasagot po tayo doon. Sorry, tayo'y nauubo, no? Uminom lang tayo ng tubig. Pero as long as the question is answerable by yes or no, no? So kung feeling nyo hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot lang, sa description box po, nandun po yung link. Either you have to copy the link or click the link. You will be routed to my website, no? Nandun po yung information. And if you also want to avail our private reading, nandun din po yan sa ating description box. So, Gemini, magsimula na tayo, no? I feel like napaka-passionate naman ng sabihin nating relationship ni Gemini lately, no? This might be through words, no? Pinapakitaan tayo ni person ng mabubuting salita, no? Appreciation, ng love, affection, no? This might be through words. This might also be through actions, like what I mentioned. And one of the actions here is a good sex, no? What I am seeing in here is merong mga nasasabi si person through actions, especially kapag nandun na nga yung hagod, no? And through kiss, no? Let's say hindi man si person palaging nagsasabi ng I love you. Nandun naman yung kanyang tingin, kiss, caress, and again, especially when it comes to penetration, no? Makikita mo yung passion niya, no? Doon naman po sa mga bago-bago pa lang, no? I think that your person is going to be more of generous, no, when it comes to their energy. Page of Swords and the Two of Cups. So, Gemini, kung hindi man ganun ka-vocal, no, si person, what I want you to know is sobrang mahal ka. If you are just looking and asking for security, no, kumbaga, Gemini, you're very secured with your person. I feel like your person devoted their time and made a promise, no, to themselves na kay Gemini lang ako, no? Kay Gemini lang ang puso ko, no? Or even katawan ko, no? Parang wala kang kahati. Meron ditong parang agreement also between you and your person. It could be a silent agreement, no, na Hindi ko na kailangan sabihin with the Queen of Cups and the Five of Swords. I feel like for a few numbers of you, gems, pinaglaban nyo itong pag-ibig na ito. Pinaglaban nyo si person, no? Pinaglaban nyo dahil munti ka ng maagaw ng iba. Gemini, waging-wagi tayo when it comes to love life. Waging-wagi tayo dahil masasabi natin na si person is ally natin, no? Allies. Hindi siya yung ally na inaala. Allies in English, yung kakampi ba, no? Kumbaga nakikipag-cooperate siya or makikipag-cooperate na siya with the for a few numbers of you na hinahanap. So, nasan yung cooperation? Well, mag-antay lang kayo. Especially when it comes to this passionate, moves or actions, no? With the inspiration, I feel like you did something, pwedeng ito yung pakikipaglaban, no? Or pinaglaban nga natin si person. You made them parang copy or mirrored, no? Yung same energy na ibinibigay mo sa kanya. Because you have devoted yourself. I think kung meron mang mga gustong sabihin, no, si person, Gems, siguro pinupost na to through music. Hindi kasi siya yung ganun ka-verbal when it comes to expressing his emotion or her emotion. There will be posts na malalaman mo, ay ito para sa akin to, no? Yung mga nakakakilig, no, na mga bagay at pangyayari or mga plans, dinadaan niya into artistic ways of expression. The Death card and the Seven of Wands. Ngayon, doon naman po sa mga may separations, whether it is physical or energetic separations. Physical, the person might be in a different city, state, county, country, different continent, different barangay, no? Different barrio. Pwedeng sa kapitbahay lang din. That's distance. Energetic separations, doon po sa mga hindi po nag-uusap, meron pong alitan, probably naka-block, no? Gagawa ito ng way, itong si person natin, no? Para ma-bridge yung gap, para makita na, para mapansin natin siya, mabigyan natin siya ng attention. I feel like gusto nitong ibalik yung dating relasyon. Gusto nitong ibalik yung dating passion. For those who are in separation, what I am seeing in here is reconciliation with the King of Pentacles and the Hangman, no? Nakakakita pa nga ako dito na submitting, no? I think that your person is going to submit. Nandun na yung paniniwala, belief, and yung sinasabi natin faith, no, when it comes to being in a relationship with you. With the King of Pentacles, no, kung dati-dati medyo nag-aalangan siya, if they wanted to stick with you and be with you, no? Ang nakikita ko dito is now they're submitting, they are agreeing na si Gemini ang taong para sa akin, no? Before we open these two cards, no, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. So your person, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Scorpio, Taurus, Leo, Scorpio is very dominant. Cancer, Pisces, Sagittarius, no? Tingnan natin ang sinasabi ni person sa atin. Don't pressure me, no? I feel like etong don't pressure me is more of what they felt before. Kasi nga meron tayong mga gustong gawin dati na hindi niya naibibigay. Ngayon, they're fully submitting. And if in case that you are demanding something, I think that your person knows what you want at ibibigay niya yun in a divine timing. No? So Gemini, this card is your message from your spirit guides, guardian angel, higher self, universe, whatever you want to call it. No? Instead of pushing yourself so hard, stop, breathe, and reevaluate. You are doing enough, even if it doesn't feel like it. Don't wear yourself out to the point of exhaustion. It is not worth it. Balance your time more wisely. So, ito yung parang message dun sa mga Gemini na pinipilit natin, no? Gawin ni person yung mga bagay na hindi niya pa kayang gawin. Pero kahit sabihin natin, oo, gusto kong mangyari, yung gusto mong mangyari, for me, hindi pa ito yung time. Naririnig ka ni person, no? Alam ko yung gusto mong mangyari, so wait for me kapag kaya ko na, no? I think that your person here also asking to give them an ample time to prepare. Dadating din kayo sa isang bagay na katulad nito, no? Yung passion and submission, no? I feel like this is once things, you know, placed perfectly in their own places. This is a lasting commitment, Gemini. So this is your reading. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa live session sa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audiences. At meron din po tayong mga mangilan-nilang reading, so you might want to check about that. Kung hindi niyo po naaabutan ang live session, sa comment section po sa YouTube, hindi sa TikTok, sa YouTube, pwede po kayo magtanong as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. No? Pero kung feeling nyo po, hindi naman kayo nasasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po ng video, nandun po yung link. All you have to do is to either copy the link or click the link. You will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung amount, QR codes, payment methods, and we have a promotion of 4 questions plus 1. No? And if you also want to avail our private reading, nandun din po yan sa ating description box. So Gemini, maraming salamat for joining me today. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.